Good morning, University of Pittsburgh, SHRS. My name is Kayla Grenier, and I'm a master's student with Rehab Science and Technology. This is Bakery Square. This is where Rehab Science and Technology is based out of, and this is where our lab is. So, although our office is over here, we also have a Coffee Tree Roasters and a Panera and a Jimmy John's, which is super convenient. So here is our office. Welcome to RST. That's what we call Rehab Science and Technology. So right now I'm in a break from my project-based engineering design class, and we are working with community living and support services. So in this class we are working to make canvas control and also paint holding a lot more accessible for individuals.
Good morning, SHRS. I'm Mary Goldberg. I'm an instructor of the Engineering Design course in RST.
Hey guys, I'm Mauricio. So we developed this to give power wheelchair users independence when they want to drink water.
So I'm pressing the button that will rotate the straw for the user.
Hi, my name is Joe. I'm a first year PhD student with Rehabilitation, Science and Technology. Our group designed paint holder cups that are easier to reach for the user by using a 45 degree, 30 degree, or 60 degree angle.
Hey guys, so one of the questions that I always get is what is RST and what do we do in RST? So I just wanted to clarify that. So the focus of our major really is to improve the quality of life of individuals with disabilities, and we do that by specifically focusing on assistive technology. So with assistive technology, or AT, we really look at how we can modify current devices or create new devices that assist individuals with their activities of daily living. So the main reason why I chose to come to Pitt for graduate school was really because the field of rehabilitation is anchored here in Pittsburgh. We have all the experts right here. So a majority of our students actually also work for the Human Engineering Research Labs, or HERL, which is a venture between the Department of Veterans Affairs, Pitt, and UPMC. So one of the really awesome things about our program is that we can design everything upstairs and come down here to the basement and actually machine it in our own machine shop. So this is our 10,000 square foot machine shop, which allows us to manufacture all the projects that we design upstairs. Along with machinery, we also have a bunch of 3D printers that can print in various colors and materials.
Hi, my name is Ben Chabrowski. I'm a testing engineer at the Human Engineering Research Laboratories.
So one of the organizations that I'm a part of is the International Society of Wheelchair Professionals, which aims to standardize the wheelchair sector globally. So through the International Society of Wheelchair Professionals, or known as ISWP, we have various machines that help to test the standards of different wheelchair components. So one of my favorite parts about this program is the wide variety of research that's going on here and how all of our experts in this field are right here at Pitt and in this lab. So with all this cool research going on, I also just wanted to show you my research that I'm doing here at Pitt for my thesis and with her.
Hi, my name is Deepan. I'm a physician by background, but at Hull I'm a PhD student with the School of Health and Rehab Sciences.
Great, go ahead.
This is the Canon, or the Computer-Assisted Rehab Environment. It's a virtual reality simulation platform that we use for research, particularly for wheelchair research. We've gotten new prosthetic limbs. Right?
after a full day of research at Bakery Square, I'm heading down to Oakland to our Center for Assistive Technology for a class on seating and mobility.
Hi everyone, my name is Sara. I am a physical therapist. I'm from Colombia and I'm a master's student at Rehab Science and Technology. We're gonna show you how to do a wheelie. It is important for wheelchair users to have this skill to overcome obstacles in the community. Power seat functions are important because they're going to allow the wheelchair user to reposition himself or herself and to access different things in the environment.
Okay, so now I'm going to tilt to reduce some pressure from my buttocks and move it towards my back so I don't get any pressure source. So this is a seat elevator. It helps me reach out to overhead surfaces and also talk eye level with other people.
So the Center for Assistive Technology, or CAT, is where individuals who are in need of mobility devices come to get evaluated by our therapist and our physician and test out devices from our suppliers. Hey guys, so I just got out of my seating and mobility class and we had some really awesome discussions about seat functions for power wheelchairs tonight. A lot of the graduate RST students are actually also heading to the International Seating Symposium next week, which is a huge conference for us in the rehab field. Thank you guys so much for joining me for the RST Student Snapchat Takeover. I really hope that you learn a lot about the research that we do and our program here at Pitt. Hey guys, so make sure to join me at the SHRS Open House on April 8th. I would love to meet and talk with you.